Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to recover deleted contacts on your phone. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's find out. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. I'm going to click on here to open up my phone settings. No matter how long you have deleted the contact, you can still recover it. Just follow this simple step. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here and make sure you go to Google. The next thing you need to do is to click on your Google name right here and select the email address. The next thing you need to do is to click on Google Accounts. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to People and Sharing. It's going to take you right here. Simply scroll down right here and make sure you click on Contact right here. It's going to take you to all the contacts you have on your phone. Now, for you to recover any deleted contact on your phone, next thing you need to do is to click on this three slider. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on Trash. Then right here, you will have all the contacts you have deleted so far on your phone in your trash bin right here. And you need to be sure that in the trash bin right here. Next thing you need to do is to review the contact and see the one you want to recover. For instance, I want to recover this contact. Once you click on the contact, simply click on Recover right here. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to simply recover any deleted contacts on your phone. For more tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.